Hey everyone, if you've built a React application and want to publish it online quickly, Vercel is one of the easiest platforms to use. In this video, I'll show you how to host a React app on Vercel from start to finish in 2026. Vercel will display your connected GitHub repositories. Choose the repository containing your React application. Next, review the project configuration. In most cases, Vercel automatically detects React projects and applies the correct build settings. Check the build command and output directory. For many React projects, Vercel will configure these automatically, but it's always a good idea to verify them before deployment. If your application uses environment variables, add them in the environment variables section before deploying. This is especially important for API keys, authentication settings, and database connections. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy and allow Vercel to begin the build process. And that's how to host a React app on Vercel in 2026. With GitHub integration, automatic deployments, and a simple setup process, Vercel makes it easy to get your React applications online quickly and professionally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.